Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about multi-threading models. A thread can be a user thread or a kernel thread. In previous tutorial, I told you that the kernel of an operating system is also multi-threaded. User threads are supported about the kernel and they are managed without kernel support, whereas kernel threads are managed and supported directly by the operating system. Ultimately, a relationship must exist between user threads and kernel threads. There are three common ways of establishing such a relationship between user threads and kernel threads, and they are many to one model, one to one model, and many to many model. First of all, we will study about many to one model. The many to one model maps many user level threads to one kernel thread. As you can see here in this diagram, that many user level threads are mapped to a kernel thread. Many user level threads are mapped to one kernel thread. So what happens in many to one model? In many to one model, many user level threads are mapped to one kernel thread. In many to one model, an entire process will block if a thread makes a blocking system call. In many to one model, only one thread can access the kernel at a time. Therefore, multiple threads are unable to run in parallel on multiprocessors. Now let us study about one-to-one model. The one-to-one model maps each user thread to a kernel thread. As you can see here in this diagram, each user thread is mapped to a kernel thread. So, what happens in one-to-one model? In one-to-one model, each user thread is mapped to a kernel thread. One-to-one model allows another thread to run when a thread makes a blocking system call. So what happens in one-to-one model? In one-to-one model, if a thread makes a blocking system call, then another thread is allowed to run. One-to-one model also allows multiple threads to run in parallel on multiprocessors. One-to-one model has a drawback. Now what is the drawback of one-to-one model? In one-to-one model, creating a user thread requires creating the corresponding kernel thread, and the overhead of creating kernel thread can burden the performance of an application. Therefore, most implementation of this one-to-one model restrict the number of threads supported by the system. Now, let us study about many-to-many model. The many-to-many model multiplexes many user level threads to a smaller or equal number of kernel threads, as you can see here in this diagram. That many-to-many model multiplexes many user level threads to a smaller or equal number of kernel threads. The number of kernel threads may be specific to either a particular machine or a particular application. In many-to-many model, when a thread performs a blocking system call, then the kernel can schedule another thread for execution.